Hello, welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today I am going to share Mahashivratri or Shravan Somvar Puja which we perform at our home. We have a setup like this where we hang Abhishek Patra and Pindi below it. So first we give a water bath to our Pindi and then we start Abhishek. When we start Abhishek, my in laws chant Rudra Sukta, and while chanting Rudra Sukta, they rotate the Abhishek Patra above the Pindi so that all the milk will fall all over the Pindi. If you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I upload my new video. If you like this video, then please share it with your family and friends. Whenever we have big festivals like Mahashivratri, Shravan Somvar, we start preparing from ahead of time, like 2 3 days ahead. We start by preparing the fast foods like sabudana chuda, rasgira chuda, sweet laddu, peanut jaggery, makhane laddu. We prepare all the fried stuffs like fried potato chips, fried sabudana papad and all, and also we bring fresh flowers from the market and prepare the garland for all the gods in the puja mandir we have. So it's all fun, like everyone is doing all the stuffs together. You must be thinking, what do we do with this Abhishek milk? So, all the family members drink this milk, and according to that, we take the quantity of milk for Abhishek. So, it is near about like 1 to 1.5 cup of milk for one person, so that it is not going waste anywhere. We drink it. Don't throw it anytime. This is like a tirtha. Here our chanting is finished, and now we will take Pindi for final bath. So we will pour some water and take out all the remaining milk from the grooves of Pindi and take for bath. We consider gods like a small babies, and we give them nice bath every day. So here my mother-in-law will give a nice bath to our pindi. Whatever the stickiness will be there, it will go away, and pindi will be fresh again. This is the pattern what we perform in our home puja mandir. There may be different ways at everyone's place. Nobody has this big pendi. This is at my home, at my mother-in-law's home, and these are the rituals we perform on our pendis. After giving a nice bath to pindi, we will do arti. We call it auction. You can call it arti. So we will perform arti after bath. Here are some special moments I captured, like my mother-in-law is teaching my daughter how to do arti of our Mahadevachi Pindi. After this, we will offer the beautiful garland and favorite flowers of God, and we will offer them fruits and all the food which is made at home and which is fresh. And this is how we perform our home puja. Hope you like this video. Let us meet in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.